Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, here you can see my result. I have got some interesting results using CPA Grip network. CPA Grip is one of the best and popular CPA network. This CPA network have lots of CPA offers to choose from. Here you can see all these CPA offers are performing well. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can promote these CPA offers to get some interesting results. I will also share with you free traffic method, how you can get targeted traffic. I'm going to share with you a step by step so you can watch this full video. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on CPA Grip network. Guys, this is the best CPA network. This CPA network have lots of tools like content locker, file locker, video locker, offer walls, a smart link and many more. The great thing about this CPA network is that this CPA network is available worldwide. So no matter what country you are in, you can use this network from anywhere in the world. Here you can see dashboard of CPA Grip network, and here you can see a statistics overview. You can get amazing results from CPA Grip network. First of all, you will have to create account on this network. You can click on register button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your first name, last name, your address, your email address, password. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my today's revenue. You can click on my offers button. You can select your United States country. Here you can see CPA offers. These CPA offers are performing well. You can simply click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see accepted country. Here you can see accepted device. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in United States. Here you can see CPA link. When people from United States click on this CPA link using Apple iOS device, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. Let me show you how you can promote these CPA offers. Guys, first of all, you will have to create a website. You can also create landing page. I'm going to create landing page to promote this CPA offer. You can go on Google, you can search your Google sites. You can visit on this URL. You can click here to open blank template. Now you can delete this header section. You can type your site name. Now you can type your title. Click on text box. Type your title. Now you can add your image. Click on images button. Click on select button. Click on Google Images. You can type your gift card. Here you can see there are a lot of gift cards images. You can choose any of this image. Now you can click on insert button. Now I'm going to type here some text. Click on text box. Type here some text. You can type here some text. Now you can insert your CPA link. You can go on CPA Grip network. You can copy this title. Now go on Google site, click on text box, paste here the title. Go on CPA Grip, you can copy this text. Now go on Google site, paste here the text. Now type your text, visit here. You can insert your CPA link. Go on CPA Grip network. Click here to copy this CPA link. Now go on Google site. You can select this text. Click on this link icon. Paste your CPA link. Click on apply button. You can also add your button. You can click on button. You can type your get. Now paste your CPA link. Click on insert button. Drag this button here. Similarly, I'm going to add your another CPA offer. Go on CPA Grip. You can scroll down. I'm going to add this CPA offer. Click here to open this CPA offer. Copy this text. Now go on Google site. Click on text. Paste here that text. Go on CPA Grip. Copy this text. Now you can paste here. Now click on button. You can type your get. Now you can paste your CPA link. Go on CPA Grip network. Here is showing CPA link. Click here to copy this CPA link. Now go on Google site. You can paste your CPA link. Click on insert button. Drag this button here. Similarly, you can add your more CPA offers. Okay, after completing it, you can click on publish button. Now type your unique web address. Now click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. This Google site has published successfully. Click on this link icon. Here is showing URL of this Google site. Click here to copy this URL. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you need to share your Google site to get visitors. I'm going to share with you amazing platform to get lots of targeted visitors. I wanna share with you this platform. Guys, this is a most popular platform. Here you can see this platform is getting more than 800,000 monthly visits. And here you can see this platform is getting more than 69% visits from United States. If you will share your Google site on this platform, then you can get lots of visits from United States. This platform's name is Gator.com. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can create account using your email address. Here you can see lots of people has created post on this platform. After creating account on this platform, you can click on create button. Now you can click on write a post button. First of all, I'm going to upload your image. Click on image. You can select your image. Click on open button. Now I'm going to type here some text. You can type here some attractive text. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can add your Google site URL. You can go on your Google site. You can click on this link icon. Here is showing Google site URL. Click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on this platform. You can paste your Google site URL. Here is showing my Google site URL. Okay, after completing it, you can click on post button. Similarly, you can visit on Imgur platform. Guys, this is a best popular platform. Here you can see this post has got more than 19,000 views. This post has got 16,000 views. This post has got 31,000 views. This post has got 34,000 views. Guys, here you can see this platform is getting more than 60 million monthly visits. This platform is getting more than 38% visits from United States. Imgur is a best popular platform. You can also share your Google site on Imgur platform to get lots of visitors. You can also share your Google site on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, and all social media platforms. When people from United States click on this button using required device, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete the required step, then CPA Grip may create your account with the payout shown for this offer. Guys, using this method, you can get some interesting results from CPA Grip network. If you want to learn more about CPA Grip network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.